Get some, NorCal Dave. Get your ass in there and get some. Loving it. Good morning. Way late start. Look, 7:20. We'll go grab the coffee. I got a walking box down. I had left my rain jacket on a job I got to go pick up. That's hilarious. I got a coil to install. I got a 3-door reach-in to look at, and I got a condensate pan in that box right there with a heater I got to install on a freezer. Just a little thing. We'll see if we get all that done this afternoon, and we'll see how we make out. The rain is back. We out of town. Look at this cool sheet metal diverter to get the air over to this section. And the rest are going out front here. This thing's out. It's hot as heck in here. So we're gonna go up to the roof. The solenoid's energized. It's over here. It's the old box. And the solenoid's energized. There's no oil. It's good. So let's see what we got going on the roof. So far what I got is I got 2 dead fuses at the disconnect. I just checked the terminals to ground from the compressor. They seem to be okay. The condenser fan seems to be okay. So let's get some fuses and we'll see what happens here real quick. I can't find anything shorted out, you know, jumping at my face. So let's see if we can advance this time clock. That's feeling real tight. That needs to be replaced. I'll have to get him a new time clock. For sure. Okay, let's grab some fuses. They're 40s. And then we'll see what's going on with this little rascal. It wouldn't tone out just on tone to ground, but I got the Megger out, and this is the Subco M500. A lot of people use it. For you new guys that haven't seen a Mega Ohmer, this is a nice, easy, cheap one. You connect the red to your compressor terminal and then to ground. You can catch a copper fitting to ground. And usually when you get 2 fuses popping at the same time, that's not a good sign. So here we go. You guys ready? Bam! The old Badski. So our compressor's toast. And with the state of this equipment, yeah, they're all bad. They're all shorted to ground. With the condition of this funky setup, with this separate coil, I got a nice landing right over there. I'm looking at that open space, and I'm going to get a price for an outdoor condensing unit, and I'm going to talk to the owner and see if we'll just abandon this in place, and I'll just have the crane drop in an outdoor condensing unit right there, and then we'll pipe over from here. It's 7/8 inch. I'll get an expansion valve for the coil, and we'll switch this from R22 over to 404. It's time. And that's a single phase unit. That's what I'm going to work on. We'll see if they like my price or not. They don't have a walk-in now, so they can't sell beers and things. So, and it's at the gas station. All right, that's one down. Nothing I can do on this till Monday to get some pricing, schedule the crane, all that fun stuff. Let's boogie to the next. TCFL will give you a warning beep when the battery's going out. Get that heartbeat. catch it stopping. The heartbeat's getting faster, hear that? And then the alarm gets louder. A lot of you guys asked if it had a check valve in there. It does. So you won't lose your vacuum when the battery dies. I didn't know that. And then Andrew left a comment in one of my videos. So that's the warning. That's what it sounds like when the battery's dying. There it is, back running. So you do get a warning. A tone, a heartbeat, and heartbeat speeds up and it gets louder before the battery dies to get your attention if you're nearby. I got Mr. 45 cranking along. Not sounding bad after the maintenance. It's at -9. We're getting down there. This is that this is the unit from the beginning of the video. I'm getting it all prepped and ready for this week. So I'm gonna get it recovered, get it ripped apart, all that kind of stuff. Got the recovery going in the background. It's noisy. Go if you want to check out a fun new channel, go over to Ride to Food. It's gonna be motorcycle adventures with Stacy Wilt. Motorcycle rides to food. It looks pretty good, like it's gonna be a fun channel. If you can, go over there and give a subscribe. All right, you guys, have a good day, and we'll check you later. Conmigo este